In this video, we'll show you how to schedule text messages on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you are using Google Messages as your default app, simply open it. Now open the conversation and type in your message. Once you have typed in your message, instead of tapping the send button, long press on it and you'll see this menu. Now you can pick a time when you want to send the message. So you can pick your schedule time. You'll get a few options here, but you can enter a custom date and time from here. Once the message is scheduled, you can hit this send button and here you should see this scheduled message. If you want to make changes to the schedule or if you want to cancel the message, simply tap on this message once and you can update the message, send it right away or delete the message. Similarly, if you are using Samsung Messages, the process is similar. So simply type in your message and long press on the send button and you'll see this menu. You can then schedule your message from here and then tap done and then hit send. Once you have done this, you should see this clock icon that indicates the message is scheduled. You can tap on it to edit the schedule or send the message right away or even delete the message. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.